This built-in single oven from Beko is perfect if you want a sleek model with excellent features. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. Beko's multi-dimensional cooking feature creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back of the cavity quickly circulates hot air, meaning your food always cooks evenly no matter which shelf it's on. The constantly moving hot air also stops flavours transferring, so you can easily cook a main dish and dessert together. Cleaning your oven couldn't be simpler thanks to Beko's innovative SteamShine option. Simply pour 500 millilitres of water into a tray and place it on the second shelf of the oven. When you select the SteamShine option from the control panel, the oven will heat up, turning the water into steam, which loosens any dried-on food. Then, a damp cloth or sponge is all you need to get the inside looking as good as new. Now, instead of spending hours scrubbing, you can put your feet up after the evening meal. So, if you're looking for an oven with excellent features for effortless cooking, this built-in model from Beko is perfect.